Hi guys, today we have a pump here. This is out of the Mercedes. It was a big truck and the pump went bad. It was making a loud noise. So this is a pump for the air suspension, or you want to call it an air ride. All this pump does is it builds air pressure. It has a line connected here, which it goes up by the fender liner. That's where it sucks the air from. It has a small filter up there. So this is the intake, this is the motor, and there's a plunge. There's a piston in here, I believe, that goes up and down, and it builds pressure. And it has a sensor here, and the motor has a connector here. So what happened here was this motor went bad. Not motor went bad. This bolt broke off. One completely was missing from here. There's supposed to be two. One over here at this end. You can see down here, it's gone. There's nothing there, right? And the second one from here, it broke off. That's the bolt right there. So what happening was this motor was just going crazy, and this little, it's like a crank here. It was banging up against that, so it's going clank, 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 big loud noise. It was making a loud noise. So let's just take this apart and see what else is in there. So this thing, it's like a motor. It has a stator. Is this what it's called? Stator. It's like a motor. It has a bearing in the back. Alright, so that's what this is. Alright guys. And so there you go. We have, let's just take get a good look at it. And inside here, this is where the shaft goes. So when it spins, it pumps up and down, up and down. That's what that does. So let me take this apart. Let's see. All right, first I'm gonna take off this back piece here. You can see a video on YouTube. I recently did this one. I changed this pump. So this pump, all it has is one line that goes in here, and then it has an intake line here and two connectors. One connector here, one to the motor, and that's it. In here you got a spring, and you got one bolt, another bolt, but we don't care about the bolt. And this is light. There's not much in here. All right, let's see what's up in here. So this is probably like another filter. Oh my God, look at that. I get this keeps some moisture out. So that's what that is. It's a big mess now. All right, let's take this apart also. Let me take off the extension. We no longer need the extension. This video doesn't have any purpose, you know, this is just to show and tell, so you guys can see what's inside this motor. Alright, so this is like let me grab this. So when this motor moves, this armature here, whatever stator, whatever you want to call it, it's like a crankshaft. So when it rotates, this little piece right here, it rotates up and down, up and down. So all it does is it moves this piston up and down. You see that? I just wanted to see my camera. So that's all it does. Alright. So you see that's a piston in there. Works just like an engine. Alright, it has a connecting rod. It has a bearing here. So there's not much in here. If you need to rebuild it, you can do it. You could probably change these rings here. Alright, these are the rings. So not much up in here, alright guys. And this is hollow in there. There's nothing in there. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And Please share, like, and comment with everybody else. Alright guys, so simple 10-minute, 5-minute video. So there's like, it's like a piston again. That's all that the motor does, it pumps air. Alright guys, thank you, bye bye. Subscribe.